Today we're going to learn about materials that let electricity flow through them easily and materials that don't. These materials are called conductors and insulators, and they play a big role in how we use electricity safely every day. Conductors are materials that allow electric charges to flow freely. Metals like copper, aluminum, and silver are great examples of conductors. That's why most electrical wires are made of copper. It lets the electricity flow through them easily to power lights, TVs, and other devices. On the other hand, insulators are materials that do not allow electricity to flow through them easily. These include rubber, plastic, glass, and wood. Insulators are very useful for protecting us from unwanted electric shocks. That's why electrical wires are covered with rubber or plastic. It keeps the electricity inside the wire and prevents it from escaping, which could be dangerous. You might wonder how these materials work. Well, it all comes down to how tightly the electrons are held by the atoms in these materials. In conductors, electrons are loosely held and can move freely. In insulators, electrons are held tightly by their atoms, and they can't move around easily. Here's an example. Think about a flashlight. When you turn it on, electricity flows from the batteries through the wires to the light bulb. The wires are made of conductive material, which allows the electricity to pass through them. The handle of the flashlight, however, is made of an insulating material, which keeps you safe from getting a shock. Understanding conductors and insulators helps us use electricity safely and efficiently in our daily lives. Whether it's charging a smartphone or turning on a light, conductors and insulators make sure that the electricity goes exactly where it's supposed to go.